SIM ejector tool. Silicon cover. .33-watt adapter. Type-C cable. Side-mounted fingerprint. Triple camera, 50MP, f1.8, 28mm wide, PDAF plus 2MP, f2.4, depth plus 0.08MP, auxiliary lens, LED flash. 13-megapixel, f2.0, HDR, video, 1080p at 30 fps. Step-by-step guide to setting it up for the first time. Explore home screen by swiping. Swipe left and right to see different apps, widgets, and quick access features. Extended random memory allows your phone to allocate part of its internal storage as additional memory, helping apps run more smoothly, especially when multitasking or using memory-intensive apps. Activate gaming mode to reduce distractions, boost performance, and focus entirely on the game.